What's up guys, Bobby B here, and today we're going to take a look at some Bluetooth headphones. These are the NesBeat. You can check them out on Amazon. I will have a link in the description below. But these are supposedly some really good headphones for working out. I already like the design. I'm not really a fan of the in-ear Bluetooth headphones. These kind of wrap around the ear, but they are IP4 rated, so I wouldn't take a bath or go swimming in them, but they're definitely able to get wet. It looks like they are about 8 hours of playtime, 2 hours to fully charge, which is nice. They market it as noise canceling. I'll have to try that out myself just to see. But honestly, pretty impressive packaging. It includes the headphones, a carrying case, micro USB, charging cable, 4 pairs of ear tips, a cable fixer, don't know what that is, cable clip, and a user guide. One of the good things about this product is it does come with a 12-month warranty, so that's kind of reassuring. Let's take it out. So this looks like it's your case and your headphones. Inside is a little small USB cable. And user manual, pretty good details. Let's take these out now. Now, there are the tips at the bottom, different size. So this is the clip that it was talking about. Never really used them, but that is nice to have. But here are the main things. Looks like you got some buttons right up there on the top, on the right earlobe. The right is also, looks like that is your power on button. There is your charging port. Looks like that's it. So I like these also because all the controls are at the ear. You don't have that extra weight hanging down. That's going to kind of droop one side down more than the other. So see if they got any juice. Oh, there's your pairing light, so there is some juice on them. But this is just a quick look, an unboxing of these NesBeat Bluetooth earphones. You can check them out on Amazon. I will have a link in the description below. Hit me up if you have any questions. You can check out my full review. I'll have written up and posted at simonsaysreview.com. Hit me up if you have any questions in the comments. Y'all take care. Have a nice day.